This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to navigate eFootball during maintenance. When eFootball undergoes maintenance, it means the game's online servers are temporarily offline. This crucial process allows developers to implement vital updates, fix bugs, and introduce exciting new features. Maintenance periods are essential for keeping the game running smoothly and enhancing your overall experience. They usually happen on a regular schedule, often weekly, and can last for a few hours, so planning ahead is key. During maintenance, you won't be able to access any online features, including your dream team or online matches. The game simply won't connect to the servers. However, if eFootball offers any offline modes, like local matches against the computer, those might still be accessible. It's a perfect opportunity to catch up on official news, read patch notes, or plan your strategies for when the servers return. Stay informed by checking the official eFootball social media channels. To stay informed about maintenance progress, always follow the official eFootball social media accounts, such as X or Facebook. They often provide real-time updates and estimated completion times. While waiting, you could explore other games in your library or engage with the passionate eFootball community on forums and discussion boards. Many players share tips, tricks, and predictions for upcoming content, making it a great way to pass the time and stay connected. Once maintenance concludes, prepare for a fresh eFootball experience. You can expect new player packs, updated events, and often significant gameplay adjustments. Make sure to download any required game updates as soon as they become available to jump back into the action. Also, remember to check your in-game inbox. Developers frequently provide small compensation, like GP or coins, as a thank you for your patience during the downtime. Enjoy the new content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.